I guess like the point of Coldlight Oracle in this deck is because you actually do want some draw in this type of deck. A lot of times when you're playing like a heavy Echo deck, you actually run out of cards sometimes, like too many Echoes, not enough other cards, or you need to get answers. And if you just run things like AI or whatever, like it doesn't have synergy with like Echo and stuff and Duplicate. And also, since you're a grinder mage, if you just run a lot of draw, you actually fatigue out first, unless you draw them as well. So you have to run double Flame Strike with Coldlight though, and Deathlord. Kind of not the hand I want. Like these two minions I don't actually want early, almost ever. Definitely not against Warrior though. I'm not like trying to fatigue early. Basically, I can't play Deathlord, especially if I can't kill whatever comes out. If he just executes it. So I gotta duplicate. It might be a bad idea to... Yeah, I think it's kind of a bad idea to play anything, honestly, here. I can't duplicate Coldlight Oracle. I need to duplicate something like Water Elemental. I already did get my duplicate, so I just need to get something good now. Water Elemental or Belcher seemed like the best. Sylvanas and Emperor, I guess, look pretty good as well. Otherwise, I'm just waiting for Flame Strike. I don't know, this game is looking really weird. I guess, yeah, I don't actually care about his armor, not really. But I need to get a minion that I can duplicate. Well, hopefully this works out. I have the Polymorph and Big Game Hunter, so even if something bad comes out, I should maybe be fine. Turbo Jesus, thanks for resubbing. Welcome back to the Strife crew. Here's a Crowfist. What's going on? Like, how is my hand like this? It's so weird.
I've got the beast in my sights. Death does not scare me.
I almost feel like I need to save the Frostbolt for something like more important or something. But if he does kill the Deathlord, then the 3/3 kills my zombie chow for free. So okay, so if I echo, I have 5 mana left over. I'm about to play around Brawl as well.
Gotcha.
Seem pretty dead though. Okay, that's really big that I get a Cruel Taskmaster, because right now I'm really scared of dying to the combo. It's one less possible Cruel Taskmaster. In fact, that's both as Cruel Taskmasters now. I'm assuming this is standard warrior, so he can't Grom. Yeah, he can't Grom me. Flame Strike doesn't seem too bad here. Otherwise, I can try trade for everything, kind of. Actually, not really, and I'm just gonna Flame Strike here. I think it's too risky not to have the taunt, though. Somehow I turned this game into a fatigue battle.
I have no time for games.
I wonder if that's the scariest thing. It maybe is. I'm not sure. I haven't got any reads yet whether his deck's playing like Sneeds yet. Welcome to Strife Crew. Here's a Crow Fist. Whoa, oops. Okay. It's a good opportunity to heal, I think. Since he's already played the Baron Geddon, I don't have to worry about this being as a 2. Eventually I might just try to like double Coldlight and go for something, accelerate the fatigue, maybe try to get a second Echo. Season 2 is when things pick up.
That belongs in a museum.
I have no time for games.
Hopefully this can hold down the line so I don't die, and then get some Sylvanas value here. I think there's still executes and shield slams. In fact, he might just kill me here. Yeah, I think I'm dead if he does that. Grom and shield slammer or something. Or Whirlwind would kill me. Oh no. Oh, I can't do that. I need to play the barrier. So which one's better? It's better to go for this one, maybe? Steals the BJH, it's easier for me to kill the other guy. I guess that makes sense. So I'm at 18 here. Word can't kill me without not proccing the secret. Not like Burn. Uh-oh. Still though, he needs to... I don't think he has any more Cruel Taskmasters. Yeah, okay, so he can't kill me. Or maybe he does. No. I might actually fatigue him out. That's a good thing. Like, with playing all the Deathlords, he's like deeper in his library than me. So I think there's still Alexstrasza. That makes sense though, because Alexstrasza just isn't that useful at this point. In a Ragnaros probably. Okay, so attack, big game hunter. Yeah, let's do that.
I've got the beast in my sight.
I don't have the BJH for Rag anymore, but I think it's worth it. At this point I can probably guess what his last cards are. Maybe like Rag, Alexstrasza, Dr. Boom. Some small stuff like Acolyte Pain and Shield Block, which he probably doesn't even want to play. So yeah, I guess I have to deal with Dr. Boom and maybe Rag and Alex.
Gotcha.
I'm not sure if I should play this guy instead of pinging, but I figure I'm kind of scared. Like if I ping one and it hits face a lot, it's kind of good here. Hope it's not Rag. Oh yeah, he didn't have mana for Rag. Alright, so I should draw here. It's like a free roll. He doesn't get any cards here. I just need to survive now. Like, this game kind of weird because my early game was like, it's like the whole like Coldlight plus Deathlord plan is good late game, but the early game should have been things like duplicating Water Elemental and Sludge Belcher. It would have made it so much easier for me. Maybe I could Coldlight Oracle last turn. I just wanted to kind of play it safe and swarm him with Belchers. I figure it's still pretty hard for him to kill. Okay, yeah, I don't know if it matters. I like this, like, yeah, see, this is like how the games normally go. It's weird because normally I'm used to Grinder Mage. I have all the normal Grinder cards that I duplicate. It's just like some of the other cards I took out for the fatigue cards. I forgot what. Yeah. So the cards I took out for fatigue cards are something like a second Zombie Chow and like a maybe like another Noitron or something. But those aren't that good anyways. It's nice to have the Chow because you can fight you can fight Armorsmith and you can also peel their armor. If they keep armoring, you can just get their armor out every turn. Another thing is like a lot of the problem with like Grinder Mage I was playing before is like against Hunter, without the Deathlords it's actually kind of a hard matchup, and without the Coldlight Oracles. I don't know how good Coldlight Oracle is, but a lot of times you just don't draw your heal bounce because you don't have a lot of draw, and if you don't draw them, then you kind of just lose. Like basically, this deck is super good against aggro. Okay, so that does allow me to suicide my guy. I don't need to. I have both the Belcher and the Sylvanas, so I don't have to play duplicate here. If I only had like one minion, I would probably just suicide, play duplicate here, and next turn play the minion, but not now. Just in case he Fire War Axes my 2/3, I need that 2 damage to trade. Sylvanas actually a really good duplicate target. In fact, it's might even be the best one. Yeah, I mean this deck doesn't really play, like you usually don't fatigue people out or whatever. Like just because Mad Scientist draws some cards, it shouldn't be a big deal for you. This is kind of a weird turn, but I think this is right because even though they can't kill the Belcher, probably, I can't drop Sylvanas. I can't do Sludge Belcher into Sylvanas, I think, because then it's too risky if both our minions die. So I'm just gonna basically play Sylvanas this turn to duplicate it. The cool thing is like if you can't really play around duplicate like this. It's like really awkward because even if he does just go face, I think I can then drop Belcher after duplicate, and then you can't ignore the Belcher.
I have no time for games.
Whoa. I hope this doesn't backfire, but
Let none survive.
Yeah, that's fine. Got 2 earnings from Spectafox. It's Psycho Strife Bro with a tight flow. So let your wife know. I puff loud and pound dimes reppin' Cloud 9. Me and my boy Lento. Hotbox the Kia Sorrento till we both can't move like a frost elemental. Okay. Thanks for the donation.
Let the pain speak to me.
Yeah, that's annoying because if I kill him my turn, I can't. Or I'm just gonna MC tech. It'll mess up my duplicate, but whatever.
Engaging TC-130 into dislocator.
I can't guarantee the steal on the Sylvanas. I guess I'm just gonna echo here. It's still a lot of value. And then just try to steal it. I'm actually gonna fatigue 1 card. I didn't think about it. That's not too bad though. Here's a Crow Fist. Also, I got another challenge from Spectafox. You messing with the wrong dude if you step in the ring with King Kong Shu. I ignore the haters because I'm a force of nature and my Saboteur attracts all the baddies like a T-bone to a Labrador. Okay, well, thanks for the donation, Spectafox. Yeah, Crowfix always in the mix. Now excuse me, miss, while I get some major domo from that fresh cute chick. So chat spam Kappa Kappa. Okay, let's see what happens. Yeah, I did duplicate the ghoul, obviously as the taunt, so whatever. I have another duplicate anyways. That doesn't even matter. I already got another Sylvanas from my Echo anyways. Flame Strike losing is bad, but not, I mean, whatever. The problem with like Sylvanas duplicate here or something is that too many cards. In fact, it might be better to just throw some of these guys away. Something like that. I don't want to play a third one, it'll just all die. The problem is a lot of my next game plan involves me duplicating a good minion here, and I just want to get rid of these cards actually. It's kind of annoying, but my hand size is too big to play my good moves. Actually, I could have played the third one. For some reason I thought if you killed one it'd chain the explosions, but that's not true. Wow, shield slam. Must be a rag or something. Oh, Dr. Boom.
I've got the beast in my sight.
I almost think it's better to drop Sylvanas with duplicate first, then drop the Belcher, because I actually think it's like Belcher's more important of a card to duplicate for me at 13 life. Like, I'd rather have 3 Sludge Belchers than 3 Sylvanas right now. Which is kind of a problem for me.
Armor made to fit.
I have no time for games.
Hopefully I don't die here to... I died to Shield Slam, Grom, Whirlwind, I believe. Actually, I just died to Grom and Execute, or Grom and Shield Slam, or Grom and a weapon that he can play together. So I gotta hope he doesn't have Grom, because this Baron getting the last 2 damage is gonna kill me. And he can activate the Grom with the Unstable Ghoul. Oh yeah, so I actually don't have my Sludge Belcher to duplicate anymore. Might have to duplicate my Deathlord.
Death does not scare me.
Basically, I need to get like another Belcher or heal bot. I guess I kind of feel safe against Warrior at 8 if I have a taunt up. Yeah. Got stuck with too many useless cards. I probably shouldn't have done the triple ghoul turn. In fact, I think I probably easily would have won if I just played on the triple ghoul turn. If I just played Sludge Belcher and Duplicate, I'd have 8 cards left in my hand. So that means I discard 1. I go to 10, 2 Belchers, and I discard the next card. If you played. If you killed it, but that's not even a big deal, I think. Because I have to think about card quality and not just card. Like, I might lose the card, but I get 2 really good Belchers in that situation. I've already won the grind, like the Fatigue War, with what happened that game. I got too much value from everything. I just need to survive. Yeah, so this deck, like, when you get this card against Face Hunter, it's so good. It's like another extra card to duplicate in Echo. Coldlight helps you draw into anti-killbot later on, too. Although, it's kind of weird because you draw them into burn as well, so... Okay, so it's Face Hunter. It's actually trading now. The Painwell, thanks for resubbing. 6 months. Here's Curfist.
I'll show them all.
Okay, that's a good hand. I guess I still play the Belcher first. I probably won't even attack, actually, because I basically win the game if I get a good Echo off on this kind of board. And I don't want to risk my heal bot going low and these minions going too low. I'm just going to play heal bot and not attack into the trap. I don't need to attack, obviously. Like, I would win the Fatigue War or whatever easily late game. Another heal bot. I mean, so you can kill some of my board. Not really, but half the Belcher. Probably it's not attacking. Or is he? Because then he doesn't, yeah.
Well played.
Well played.
I'm gonna lose a slime like this, but oh well. Oh, it's actually a snake trap. I like going face here. I don't like getting the heal block to 3-2 for explosive. I don't think killing 1 here matters that much. I mean, I have, what, like 16 points of healing in my hand. And these, like, super efficient taunters as well. I got a $3 donation on Dank Naruto Sniper 420. Sniff a chair like tides of time while I spit this dank rhyme. I'm the Druid Master who don't need to play fast on 9 mana. I'm gonna combo your ass. Bring your A game if you queue into me. Chat spam OP. I'm gonna play this Mad Scientist here. Because I also have an ice barrier, so I can try to get out the ice barrier soon too. And I still like taunt up this. It just uses my mana really well as well. Nah, Deathlords are actually hurting me with these, because you got Arcane Golem and Wolf Rider. He's not gonna kill my anti-kill bot, so the duplicate isn't actually that useful. I could have done something weird, like try to leave up his knife chugger, but that doesn't make any sense. Can I actually die if I play the Belcher? Belcher's greedier, kind of, but might be able to kill me if I'm at 11 with an owl. Hasn't played any owls yet. So yeah, 2 taunts is too much, I think, for him to get through. If he has 2 owls, then he can't have really other stuff too. So yeah, he got a lot of damage in from the Deathlord minions. Actually, a lot of times it doesn't work out that well for them if they don't get like the Arcane Golems or Wolf Riders. That's why like you really need, like why I kind of added in the Deathlords and the Coldlight Oracles. I figure like if I'm gonna add Deathlord, I might as well add Coldlight Oracle as well. Because imagine playing a scheme without the Deathlords and stuff. It's like a lot worse. Yeah, he was dead on board. He had to kill command my stuff for removal. Alright, well. Already 2 kill commands he is, so. The only way I can lose is some kind of like quick shot shenanigans, like multiple instances or something like that. If you didn't use both kill commands, I would probably trade for all 3. It's weird though, because these would go to 3-2, and then if top deck's explosive trap, I might not be able to kill them next turn either, and then I might lose to like hero power over multiple turns. Actually, I don't think it's possible. It's like, even if he got quick shot, he doesn't have any more kill commands, so I don't see how he can even do the last damage. He's already used 1 quick shot, 2 kill commands, so. Oh, I know. Quick shot into explosive trap into hero power, leave me at 2, and then I can't win. I would need to Coldlight into Echo. Actually, I can't Coldlight into Echo. That's too much mana to Echo the heal bots. I basically need a top deck Echo. That's really hard for him to do though. Some exact quick shot into like choosing what you want after too.